Let's talk about how to send files back and forth between school and home. If I open this up, I can see that Snowman has a lot of folders and it might have a lot of files associated with it. Instead of sending a single file, I want to send all of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on Snowman. I'm going to say compress to zip file. That way it's going to have a little zipper on there as a zipped file. Now what I can do is I can log into my Gmail and then I can click on these dots up here and go to Drive. Now in my Drive, I can take this zipped file and simply drag it in. I can see at the bottom, it's loading it, and when it's done, there it is, it's a zipped file. Now, when you get home, what you would need to do is you would need to bring this zip file and bring it onto the desktop and unzip it. The way you do that is you'd go here, click on these dots here, and click download. You're going to see it downloading up in this area up here if you're on Chrome browser. Now I can go to that and I can click on this folder icon, and then this appears, and I could simply drag this to my desktop. You're not going to be able to work with it because there's a zipper on it. That indicates that it's a zipped file. I can right click and say extract all. Simply hit extract. And now I have an extract file. What that means is that this is just an unzipped file of this. And if I open this up, I should have everything there. Now what I would do is I would go to Maya and I would say, hey, I want to work on this project. I would go to File, Set Project, Desktop, and I would go find O1 Homework. There it is. Hit Set. Whoop. If I go to File, actually if I open up O1 Homework, I can see, in this case, this is kind of weird. O1 Homework has a folder inside of it called O1 Homework. So that's why if I go to File, Set Project, I have to double click on this until I see all the folders. So in other words, if I come back out here, if I go to O1 Homework, I clicked on it, I don't see all the folders. So I double click on this one, and now I see all the folders, I can click Set. Now if I go to File, Open Scene, there's my snowman, and I can open it up. So now let's say if I did work on it, and if I go to File, Save Scene As, I save it as Snowman 02, this is my update for my homework. Now I want to send this back to the cloud. So what I would do, I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. I could delete this one so I don't get it confused. And then I'm going to zip this one. I'm going to go here and say compress to zip file. Okay, now it zipped it with the updated information, and I can simply drag it back in here, and now I have the updated version. When I get to school, I would just need to repeat that process by going here, downloading it, bringing it onto the computer, and then extracting it and opening it up.